Hello everyone, this is Mr. Nook. Today I will show you a tool called Craiyon, which uses AI model drawing to create images from a textual prompt. So Craiyon was formerly DALL-E Mini, is an AI model that can draw images from any textual prompt. So you can type in anything. So let me type in dog playing football and just type in. So it's creating those images. As you can see here, it has generated these images. It is done by artificial intelligence. I know it is not perfect, but that is something which is created by artificial intelligence. Now you will have some other questions here, like why is the face so weird? So it's a limitation of the current image encoder. They are working on developing a better solution for it. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.